Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
Sick of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare. I need to get my mind off things. Lucky for me, this city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me.
Oh!
What's going on?
I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details.
Fuck that, I'm pissed. Supposedly he scored high in this district.
Oh my god, let it go, okay?
Slow down! Holy... No!
That guy's out of control. I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. Simple trace of his call, and he's mine.
Look at that guy!
And I don't know, don't understand. You say it's hard right now. It's in my eyes, spending.
Fucking insurance company better not say it's my fault. Holy shit.
Alright. He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work. Okay, let's find this guy and get this over with.
Watch where you're going.
She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
Hey! We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with
You're
it.
so fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
I gotta stop him now.
I'll scream.
Oh, I'll teach you. Not your business.
No, I'm not supposed to be here, please. Run, he has a gun.
Everybody run!
You won't bother anyone now.
The environment wants you to read this.
Help save our planet. Practical everyday tips. Please, help save the planet. Over 70% off. Everything must go. The economy's lost, your game.
Nikki, hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
Ugh, you make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gets me any ride I want. And you, if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
My house right now.